We're SlikRok Productions, and we don't talk about a lot of products of this nature, but this one hit really close to home to me. There's never been a time when I've broken a belt that I'm very happy, but what's frustrating to me is we get in and out of our boxes a lot, and our, the storage you have in your machines, things get jostled around and mixed up, and it's always frustrating to find the tools you need to change a belt and to change a belt quickly and get back on the trail. This is a kit from Savage UTV, and this does exactly that. This keeps everything you need in one storage compartment. So your belt fits in here, all your tools fit in here, and so it's even got a knife in here in case your belt gets wadded up in there and you got to cut it out. Everything you need, even an expansion tool, is in this kit. And so they have another kit if you don't want to buy the tools. You take the foam out, your belt goes in one side, and you can cut them so your tools fit in there so they don't get jostled around. And then they have another kit that's really cool. It's a first aid kit. That first aid kit's got everything you need in the event of an emergency. Courtesy of Savage UTV, we're going to give one of these kits away. And so the way you win one of these, you need to be following Savage UTV, you need to be following SlikRok, and tag a buddy in the comments. I hope you win one. These are awesome kits. What are you doing?
Bear with me, buddy. Oh, it's gonna be perfect.
What do you got?
Lunch, hoagies, sandwiches, burritos.
Oh, okay. So you're thinking cold cuts.
Yeah.
Right, so slits, right?
Uh-huh.
Condiments, right?
Condiments, completely laid out, perfectly organized, not getting smashed. Dustproof, waterproof.
You might have just opened up a whole new marketplace for them.
Not just a hat rack.
You're kind of crazy genius.